And now the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomena. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one, right? They might be independently ambiguous. They might merge together and create an ambiguous absurdity. But when this is juxtaposed now, this is where it's like when juxtaposition and incongruity merges into symbiosis, and this is where you get surrealism. Because surrealism might cause two incongruity to create something that's absurd, or something that we consider absurdity. So, or surrealism. This is what surrealism is. You know, Salvador Dali exemplified this. He juxtaposed the subconscious and the dream state, right? And so you have this. So you merge this incongruity, you juxtapose them, and then out when it coheses and creates what we call something that's surrealistic, right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity, right?